Simon, the photographer. See, there's still loads of snow everywhere. Well, crappy snow.
There's a lot of kids here. Yeah. So this is
Someone's video.
a big family. It's a big family. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Or they have the mark. Oh no, that's not the mark.
Yeah, there are a few. Yeah, what are those marks?
They might just be for.
Creepy.
Don't look at it. Look at it through the through the lens.
Maybe it turns differently.
The actual temple is like the colors.
Yeah,
Germanic.
Germanic colours. Looks like quite a new temple actually.
I
Or
really
it's been.
like the color scheme like this.
Yeah, these fish are really cool.
Wow.
The thing at the top looks out of place. Yeah, it's crooked. Looks like they knocked it out of place. What's the dude over there? What's he doing? Dude. Oh, suspicious. Very suspicious. These here, like, all like, I think they're like wishes for like good luck messages, good luck tokens or things like that. I think. Wishing for luck and happiness and that kind of thing. Camera something. Maybe that means don't use your camera, but I'm using it. Look at the wood down there. All of this snow that gets shoveled over here is making the all this clean. You want a big demonstration?
Where?
You gotta put some money in the hole.
Is that the only thing I have to put in?
And then you gotta drop that stuff in. No, I'm guessing that's for the priest or whatever. whoever who minds the temple. Well done. I fell off somewhere. Oh, let's check out the small little shrine over there. This is a bad idea, but I'm going to do it. Snow red leash. Shoot. Look at that smug little face. These things look really evil. Hello. It's horse. Kanji for horse there. Huh. And a very modern building over there. I wonder if that dude's still there. He's gone. Even more suspicious. Hello, Simon. And I guess that's it. That is the tour of this little temple that I do not know the name of. When I do, I will title it in the YouTube thing. Thank you for watching. Bye.